Hey future programmers, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of programming and exploring what it means, how to learn it, and even how to choose the right area to specialize in. So whether you're a student considering a career in tech or just someone curious about programming, this video is for you. Let's kick things off with the basics. What exactly is programming? Well, imagine you have a really smart but very literal-minded friend. To get them to do something, you need to give them very specific step-by-step instructions. That's what programming is all about. Programmers write instructions or code that tell computers what to do. They use special languages that computers understand to create software that powers everything from the apps on your phone to the websites you browse. Now you might be wondering, how can I learn programming? There are a ton of options out there. One great way is through online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy. These courses are fantastic for structured learning. But remember, learning by doing is super effective too. So try creating small projects as you learn. This hands-on experience will help you grasp programming concepts much faster. And don't forget to join programming communities and forums. It's a fantastic way to connect with other learners and experts, ask questions and learn from their experiences. Becoming a professional programmer takes time and dedication. Here's a roadmap to help you on your journey. First, specialize. Programming is a broad field. Consider focusing on areas like web development, mobile apps, cybersecurity, or artificial intelligence. Next, build a portfolio. As you learn and work on projects, collect them in a portfolio. This is like a showcase for your skills that can impress potential employers or clients. And finally, keep learning. The tech world evolves rapidly. New languages and technologies emerge, so should you. Embrace lifelong learning and stay updated with the latest trends. Next up, let's talk about the different types of programming. There are many, but we'll cover three main ones. Functional programming focuses on writing functions that perform specific tasks. It emphasizes the use of functions as first-class citizens and immutability, meaning data that cannot be changed after creation. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, revolves around objects and classes. Objects are like real-world entities, and classes are the blueprints for creating those objects. OP allows you to write reusable and maintainable code by encapsulating data and methods that operate on that data within objects. Procedural programming breaks programs into functions or procedures that can be executed sequentially or in parallel. It's a programming paradigm where a program is a collection of procedures and data structures that manipulate the data. All right, now that you know the types, let's explore the exciting fields of programming. We'll cover 5 prominent ones. Web development is the creation and maintenance of websites. It's a vast field that includes everything from the design and user experience to the functionality and performance of websites. Mobile app development involves creating applications for smartphones and tablets. It's a dynamic field that caters to the growing demand for mobile applications across various platforms and devices. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent agents, which are programs that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as natural language processing and computer vision. Game development is the creation of video games. It's an interdisciplinary field that combines programming, art, design, and storytelling to create immersive and engaging experiences. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer network and systems from theft, damage, and unauthorized access. It involves implementing security measures to safeguard data, maintain business continuity, and mitigate risks. Now here's a question many of you might be wondering: what are the most promising areas of programming for the future? As technology advances, some fields are poised for even greater growth and innovation. Here are our picks for the top 5. Artificial intelligence. AI is transforming industries from healthcare to finance. As machines become smarter, the demand for skilled AI professionals will continue to soar. Machine learning and data analysis are at the forefront, with applications in everything from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. Mobile app development. With the proliferation of smartphones and tablets, mobile app developers are in high demand. As more people rely on these devices for work, play, and communication, the need for innovative and functional apps will only grow. Web development. The web is constantly evolving with new technologies and platforms emerging regularly. Web developers who can adapt to these changes and create user-friendly, high-performance websites will remain in high demand. Cybersecurity. In an increasingly interconnected world, protecting sensitive information is paramount. Cybersecurity experts are needed to safeguard systems against cyber threats, such as hacking and malware, ensuring the safety and privacy of our digital interactions. Cloud computing. The shift to cloud-based solutions is transforming how businesses operate. Cloud engineers who can manage and optimize cloud infrastructure are highly sought after, driving innovation and efficiency across industries. Let's take a closer look at one of the hottest areas, cloud computing. What is it? Cloud computing provides on-demand computing resources like servers, storage, and software over the internet. It's like having a powerful computer in the sky that you can access anytime, anywhere. This technology offers several benefits. It saves costs by eliminating the need for upfront investments in hardware. It's flexible, allowing users to scale their resources as needed. It enables remote access, meaning you can connect to your programs and data from any device with an internet connection. And it prioritizes high security, protecting your information with robust encryption and access controls. Cloud computing offers three main service types. IaaS, or infrastructure as a service, provides computing resources like servers and storage. PaaS, or platform as a service, offers a platform for developers to build and deploy applications. FaaS, or function as a service, lets you run code snippets in response to events without managing servers. Another important field is cybersecurity. What is it? Cybersecurity is all about protecting computer network and systems from digital attacks. It's a broad area that includes securing networks, safeguarding data, and ensuring the privacy and confidentiality of information. Key areas in cybersecurity include network protection, which involves securing computer networks from threats like hacking and malware. Data protection, which focuses on safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access and cyber threats. And application security, which ensures the safety of software applications from vulnerabilities and cyber attacks. Before we wrap up, let's quickly cover what the web is. Simply put, the web is a vast network of information and resources interconnected through hyperlinks. It's a system of websites, web pages, and hyperlinks that enable users to access and navigate vast amounts of information and resources. Browsers like Chrome and Firefox allow you to view and interact with web content, making it easy to explore the interconnected web. And finally, let's talk about the exciting fields of software, specifically games, apps, and websites. Game development is the creation of video games. Developers use programming languages like C++ and Unity to design and develop games across various platforms. App development involves creating software applications for mobile devices, desktops, or web browsers. Programmers use languages like Java, Swift, and Kotlin to build functional and user-friendly applications. Web development focuses on creating and maintaining websites. Developers use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to design, develop, and maintain engaging and functional websites. As you explore these fields, you'll encounter various programming languages and technologies. Each has its strengths and is suited for different applications. Remember to choose the right field that aligns with your interests and career goals. If you're interested in working independently and generating income, consider specializing in web development, mobile apps, AI tools, and cloud-based platforms. These fields offer flexibility, high earning potential, and the ability to work remotely. And there you have it, a quick introduction to the world of programming. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech adventures. Thanks for watching and happy programming.